Hello, my name is Matthew McNeil, and for CPSC Assignment 1, I have chosen to go with this article, Big Data and Customer Acquisition and Retention for E-commerce, taking Walmart as an example. So to give some background information about what I'm going to be going over this presentation is what is customer relationship management system, the importance of big data and customer relationship management, benefits of big data analytics in improving productivity and profitability, challenges and concerns in harnessing customer data, and then going over the case study for the article, which was Walmart's successful implementation of big data analytics. So a customer relationship management system, it is a technological framework or piece of software that aids in businesses in managing customer interactions and relationships. It lets companies to efficiently manage, examine, and use consumer data to boost client satisfaction, better sales and marketing tactics, and spur company expansion. A customer relationship management system acts as a centralized database that stores and organizes customer data, including contact information, purchase history, communication history, and preferences. It makes it possible for organizations to view their clients as a whole and make access to pertinent data simple. So the importance of data analytics, in a general sense, for firms to excel in customer relationship management, big data analytics are crucial. It enables businesses to tailor their services and offerings by allowing them to acquire better insights into client behavior from vast amounts of data. 92% of firm leaders from 19 different countries were pleased with the outcomes of big data analytics based on the article, particularly in the area of customer relationship management. Companies using big data analytics beat their peers by 5% in productivity and 6% in profitability. So the benefits of big data analytics, according to the research, businesses using data analytics do better than their competitors in terms of productivity and profitability, like I mentioned on the last slide. And it improves brand perception, consumer loyalty, and the purchasing experiences of customers. An organization can promise customer acquisition and retention by using personalization to better understand each customer's wants and provide for them. This will enhance sales and customer loyalty, which is very important for businesses to thrive. So the challenges in customer data utilization. Despite the promise of big data analytics, some research suggests that a sizable part of customer data is never used to improve anything. Only 30% of businesses use customer experience to dominate their market, according to the study, and utilizing high quality data and applying agile approaches can aid in resolving these issues. So for the case study of Walmart, it is the largest retailer in the world and has adopted big data analytics to grow both its online and offline businesses through its loyalty program, predictive analytics, and personalization, with more plans for success in the future. Walmart's Walmart Plus loyalty program, which is designed to increase customer acquisition and retention, makes use of big data analytics to study customer needs. Benefits offered by the program include limitless free delivery, scan and shop, and gasoline rebates. Walmart uses predictive analytics in its smart forecasting system to gauge product demand across all of its stores, and the online shopping experience at Walmart is customized depending on data from customer purchases by assessing customer preferences and making complementary product recommendations both online and in store. Walmart improves customer satisfaction and loyalty by doing that. So Walmart's efforts for acquiring and keeping customers have significantly increased its online revenues. And in just 3 years, the company's online sales have tripled, and it has aspirations to grow its online grocery business and enhance in-store consumer experiences through their mobile apps. And so just to give some technical architecture background, it refers to the design and structure of a system, including its hardware, software, databases, networking, and security components. It provides guidelines for building and maintaining the technology infrastructure to ensure the system meets its requirements and objectives, and it helps in making decisions about technology selection, design, integration, and maintenance. So here is the technical diagram that I have created for Walmart, just as a visual to better explain how they are leveraging big data analytics and how they're using it to make more money. So you can see in the top, you have the users, which would be like the customers, and the partners would be the employees who are using their the data. And so the data source is the customer relationship management system that I mentioned earlier. And so you can see moving over to the right, that would be like going into the Walmart app, which is where people are using the Loyalty Plus program and purchasing online or for pickup and delivery for any product. And we also have to make sure that that is being having security and privacy for customer data, like I mentioned earlier in the presentation, where that information is more confidential and is being used inside the Walmart app, and that people have their information secured. So then moving on from the data source to the data collection and storage, which would be like the warehouse of where all of the data is coming in from the users and the partners, from the customer relationship management system. And then that would flow into the data processing and analysis to use that data to figure out what what the data is telling them and what they need to do with it, which would then go into the data visualization part of the process to better understand and explain to business leaders to make decisions. And then those people can personalize and customize the data of the data visualization to better present findings that they have figured out, or ways to improve the business, which then flows into the decision-making part of, after looking at all that data and presenting it, um, the people who are in charge making decisions of what the data is presented to them, and then moving on into the integration part, which would be whatever the data has shown being implemented into new business programs or offerings, or ways to improve the loyalty program, or ways to get more customers in, make more sales, which would then equal the profit, which is the main goal of Walmart. And that is what my technical architecture diagram would be for the customer relationship management system that I went over in my presentation about the case study for Walmart. And so, in conclusion, big data analytics are essential for businesses to compete in a cutthroat industry, especially like retail. Businesses can improve client experiences and gain a competitive edge by utilizing personalized products and predictive analysis. It also draws attention to the importance of paying close attention to data privacy issues, like I mentioned, and the drawbacks of big data analytics, which may necessitate using human judgment when interpreting the findings. So I am happy to answer any questions that you have through my email. You can see it here for my student email. And this is my presentation for assignment 1.